friends, welcome back to this week's vlog. Today is the day that we get to hopefully trade some friendship bracelets. Let's get going. First things first, fit check for tonight's film. And, okay, you got a cardigan, little off-white cardigan. Karma is a cat shirt, little black tights, comfy tights, and red shoes. Ready to go. We're actually the first ones in the theater right now, so it's pretty empty. Partner in crime for tonight. And we're back from the Eras Tour film. I will have to say I loved every single minute of it as being a fan of Taylor Swift. So yeah, my voice feels like it's gonna go at any moment because I was singing throughout the whole entire thing. It was actually pretty loud, so I couldn't hear really anybody else around me, so I guess that may be a good thing, because I may have sung off tune here and there. Who knows? But my theater wasn't full. They had plenty of showings, so there was a lot to go around. A lot of us, or actually all of us really, were just, singing and bopping in our seats, so which is pretty fun. And I did trade some friendship bracelets, so here are the ones that I came away with. It's just a small handful. And I did give away quite a bunch of them to, the kids who were there and just, some of those who were attending as well. But it was fun. I do have a small handful left. I gave a good majority of it away, so if I see Swiftie out there, who knows, you may just get a friendship bracelet for me. Of course, that's not the only thing I left with. I left with the cup. My feeder ran out of the regular size, so this is the large one. Right here. I could always use another cup. As well as the tin. The popcorn tin. They had the black ones, but I didn't really like it too much, so, and the tin ones were much better. I like the design of it. Raised lettering on the front here, and it's a nice color on the inside. I'm actually going to turn this likely into a little planter because there's actually good material for it. So there you go, multi-use tins. Hopefully one day I'll be able to attend one of her concerts, so we'll see. Who knows? Oh yeah, and before I forget, here's a bracelet for you. Because you're all my friends too, so you deserve one. And we'll end it here. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed these little snippets from the concert film and, you know, my overall reaction to it. So thank you once again. Do come back next week because I'll definitely have a whole new adventure for you all across the Pacific. So you do not want to miss out on that. Until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.